McDonald's could have analysed all the data on planet Earth and never come up with Ronald McDonald the Clown. Budweiser could have looked at every algorithm under the sun and still not come up with the idea of what's up. And Compare the Market wouldn't have come up with meerkats merely using analytics. I'm not suggesting that analytics, algorithms, data and measurement isn't important. It absolutely is, and we have more of it available than ever before. But I'm concerned that something's been lost. All good communications starts off with one basic element. A great idea. While important, analytics and keywords are not a substitute for great creative. An algorithm won't move people emotionally. Creative will do that. Data won't hit someone in the gut and motivate them to engage with your product. Creative will do that. Keywords won't produce the memorable phrase which will be repeated by friends and colleagues. Creative will do that. Before you get bogged down in the data, the algorithms, the analytics, the keywords, and all the other technicalities, just make sure you have a great idea. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment box. And to receive regular marketing updates, hit subscribe.